Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Rocket Mortgage account. So open your Chrome or Edge browser and then search for Google. Now in the Google bar, go and search for Rocket Mortgage Login. And click on the first link which appears on your screen. After a while, it will lead you to this page where you can log in to your mortgage account. So, there are two options in this, so you should go ahead and sign in to your account. Tap on sign in, which is in the middle of your screen. After a while, you can see that this page will open up. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and write down your username, your password, and if you want to show password, you can click on show password and then you can just hit the sign in button. And if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can just hit this link and it will lead you to the Rocket account authentication page. So go ahead and write down your email address and go ahead and click this button over here. And then a new mail will be sent to your email from which you can change your username or your password. And if you want to change your password, same process goes. Hit the forgot password and then this page will open up. Now write down your username, submit it, and the new password will be generated as a mail will be sent to your email. After you press the verify in your email, you can now change your password as well. So this was a video on how you can log in to your Rocket Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.